to share my experience with the paranormal. This happened when I was 10 years old. It was during the Hungry Ghost Month festival. So me, my mom, and my sister, we went to the playground around 10 plus 10 p.m. So after playing, we went to rest at the bench there. The bench was near the river there. So my sister, she saw this white figure was wearing some white outfit with the hair let down. It was so damn long. So she immediately asked me and my mom to look at what was it. So when me and my mom saw it, it was actually floating at the river there. And within a few seconds, it just got disappeared. So my mom got really scared. She immediately brought us back home. She asked us to bathe and then pray after that. So whether ghosts exist or not, this incident was really scary because we actually did saw it, but then it just vanished like that. So after that, we don't go out at night during Hungry Ghost Month festival.